Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Display or Wallpaper. Once there, tap the option labeled Lock Screen or Home Screen to start editing. Make sure to pick whether you change one or both. You can set a single image or separate images. If you plan to use a photo, prepare it in your Photos app for cropping. You're now ready to select the image and enter the editor. Don't pause, proceed to choose your background. You'll now pick the image and use the crop and scale controls to frame what matters. Once done, toggle options like perspective motion or parallax, turn them off for static clarity if needed. Make sure text, widgets, and the clock remain legible. Reposition or slightly darken the photo when necessary. If available, apply wallpaper styles or live versus still modes depending on battery and preference. When satisfied with composition and settings, move on to Apply. You finish by tapping Set or Apply, then choose whether to assign the image to lock screen, home screen, or both. After applying, lock and unlock the device to confirm the change. Make sure widgets and icons remain readable. If the wallpaper does not update, restart your phone first. Once restarted, reapply the image. If it still fails, clear the launcher or wallpaper app cache, or try a different image format to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.